Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start with a strong foundation. In this video, I will explain how to achieve clear skin. First, cleanse your face twice a day, once in the morning and once at night, using a mild, pH-balanced cleanser. This helps remove dirt, oil, and impurities without stripping your skin's natural moisture. Always remember to gently remove all makeup before bed. Sleeping with makeup can lead to clogged pores and breakouts. Use lukewarm water for washing, as hot water can be too harsh. Next, let's talk about exfoliation and hydration. Exfoliate your skin 2 or 3 times a week to slough off dead skin cells, which can clog pores and dull your complexion. Consider a chemical exfoliant containing ingredients like salicylic acid or glycolic acid for effective results. Following exfoliation, always hydrate your skin. Apply a non-comedogenic moisturizer daily, even if your skin is oily, to maintain its barrier and prevent overproduction of oil. Protecting your skin from the sun is crucial for clarity and health. Apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher every single day, regardless of the weather. Reapply it every 2 hours if you are outdoors or sweating. Beyond topical care, your diet plays a significant role. Aim for a balanced diet rich in antioxidants from fruits and vegetables, and drink at least 8 glasses of water daily to keep your skin hydrated from within. Finally, consistent healthy habits are key. Change your pillowcases 2 or 3 times a week to minimize bacteria and oil transfer to your skin. Try to avoid touching your face throughout the day, as this can transfer dirt and germs, potentially leading to breakouts. Prioritize getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night, as adequate rest supports skin repair and regeneration. Consistency in these practices will yield the best results.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.